sa lungsod ng Baliwag, ayaw po natin ng maraming may sakit. Kung meron man pong may sakit, gusto natin gumaling. Dahil concern po si Mayor Mami, Vice Mayor Ferdy, gustong-gusto po namin na kayo ay laging healthy. Kaya very particular po kami sa health ninyo. Dahil kung hindi po dito sa ating DOH na nag-provide po nito mga laboratory check-up at saka gamot, bibigyan din po kayo ng gamot.
We were commissioned for this. In order for that, we could provide them the necessary equipment and the personnel so that we can help and assist them to decongest, to cover all patients or cater all patients per day. So this 4-day medical mission will help them. In order for that, we can provide free health services for the constituents of Baliwag City.
Sa inyo po lahat, maraming salamat at dito po sa lungsod ng Baliwag, gusto po ni Mami Sonia na walang may sakit. Kaya ngayon, bawal magkasakit, kailangan kontrolin natin, kaya meron po tayong ganitong medical mission. Sa inyo lahat, maraming salamat po.